Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature SHAKEY'S Pizza Parlor franchise business ideas. SHAKEY'S has been creating over 40 years of great times and great memories in the Philippines. Having started its first store in Metro Manila way back in 1975, SHAKEY'S now operations nationwide with a strong store count of 307 stores, comprising of 171 company-owned stores and 136 franchise stores. In 2020, Euromonitor reported SHAKEY'S as the market leader in both chain pizza full-service restaurant and chain full-service restaurant, with market shares of 29.6% and 67.3%, way ahead of other competition in the industry. SHAKEY'S target market consists of the A, B, and upper C income class segments that prefer full dining restaurants over fast food establishments. SHAKEY'S attracts families and groups through its meal bundle offerings and party-sized portions that are ideal for sharing. For the SHAKEY'S pizza products, they offer Belly Buster Pizza, Manager's Choice Pizza, Pepperoni Pizza, SHAKEY'S Special Pizza, Angus Steakhouse Pizza, Bacon and Cheese Fusilli Pizza, Classic Beef and Onion Pizza, Classic Cheese Pizza, Classic Cheese Pizza Americana, Classic Spinach Pizza Americana, Glazed Bacon Pizza, Hawaiian Delight Pizza, High Protein Supreme Pizza, Carbonara Supreme, Prima Lasagna 2-piece chicken and rice, Basket of Mojos, Buffalo Wings, Captain's Choice, Good Nuggets, and Mozzarella Cheese Sticks. For the franchising details, discover the world of SHAKEY'S, a world teeming with opportunities for businessmen, entrepreneurs, visionaries, and big thinkers. They challenge you to be part of the family which has proven record for business excellence. 40 years of market dominance. More than 100 restaurants nationwide owned and operated by the company and by different franchisees, it has remained a strong force in the pizza market and has been among the top 3 pizza chains in the country since its inception. Nationwide store system. Easy to operate with simplified operation systems, integrated point of sale and inventory systems, number 1 delivery system in Metro Manila. Investors have been attracted to the business because of its low capital investment resulting to quick and high-yielding returns. For the franchise package inclusions, marketing and advertising services, standardized financial systems, centralized purchasing and distribution, operation standards, systems and support, human resources, training and development, research and development, quality assurance, and design, construction, and technical support. Your partnership will be built on your commitment to give service excellence through innovations on products, systems, and people so that you deliver only the best to your customers. For the financial investments, the financial requirement for franchising a SHAKEY'S restaurant ranges from 18 million pesos to 25 million pesos, depending on store size, location, and other factors, but does not include site acquisition cost. The investment will be for the construction of the restaurant, interiors, and exteriors, purchase and installation of kitchen equipment, furniture, and fixtures, pre-opening expenses, and franchise fee. The franchise grant is for 10 years period, applicable to a specific location only with an option to renew for another 5 years based on your mutual agreements. For the application process, upon receipt of the letter of intent, an application form will be provided to the franchise applicant who then undergoes a 3-phase application process: the screening, the validation, and final review. Should you want to pursue your franchise application, kindly send a formal letter of intent addressed to SHAKEY'S Franchising Department with the following information: full name of the franchise applicant with complete contact details, cell phone number, email address, and landline number. A brief business background, and the details of your proposed site, and other details which you may deem pertinent to application. Please email it to franchising@shakeys.biz. For lease proposals, kindly address it to Shakeys Business Development Department with the following lease offer or terms, size in square meter, cut-out plan, location map, pictures of the proposed site, and other lease information pertinent for their consideration. You may send the information to bd@shakeys.biz. For international franchise applications, kindly send your formal letter of intent addressed to Shakeys International detailing the city and country pertinent to your application. You may send the information and any questions or clarifications on international franchising to franchise@shakeysinternational.com, and their person in charge for Shakeys International will be in touch to assist you. For the Shakeys investments highlight. Number 1. Shakeys is number 1 full-service chain and number 1 full-service restaurant chain in the Philippines. Number 1. Shakeys is the number 1 full-service pizza chain in the Philippines with 58% market share, followed by Pizza Hut with only 35% market share. Number 2. Shakeys is also the dominant player in the full-service restaurant industry with 27% market share, trailing behind our Pizza Hut and Max Group with 16% and 11% market share, respectively. Number 2. Shakeys has a strong and well-established brand. Number 1. According to Asia's Top 1,000 Brands survey by Campaign Asia in partnership with Nielsen Company, Shakeys ranks second in most popular Filipino brands in the restaurant category, following McDonald's. Number 2. Shakeys' differentiated menu offerings have gone through the test of time and have been brand icons on their own. Number 3. Shakeys stores are located in strategic sites, example, in highly dense convergence areas and along major roads where there is a high visibility and accessibility. Number 4. Supercard. Shakeys membership card is among the most popular loyalty programs in the industry. Number 3. Shakeys has a proven and scalable business model. Number 1. Shakeys has a well-established franchise model with industry-leading return on investment of 3 to 4 years. Number 2. It has its own biggest commissary which supplies proprietary raw materials, enabling quality control as well as economies of scale and purchasing synergies. Number 3. Shakeys operates on a 100% leased model. This enables for high financial liquidity and asset-light model. Number 4. Shakeys operates multiple store formats, enabling them to capture the diverse needs and preferences of the market they enter. Number 5. Shakeys has multiple sales channels: dine-in, delivery, carry-out functions, online sales, and supercards, providing convenience and accessibility to its customers. And lastly, number 6, Shakeys has excellent food safety and quality control processes in place. Number 4, Shakeys has an experienced management. Shakeys has a strong management team, adding up to more than 100 years of experience in the food and beverage industry. For the contact details, please contact Shakeys Pizza Parlor with the address KM15 East Service Road Corner, Marian, Barangay San Martin de Porres, Parañaque City, Metro Manila 1700. You may call them at telephone numbers 7777-7777 or sharp 77777, and you may send them an email at callcenter@shakeysdelivery.com.ph. You can also visit their website at www.shakeyspizza.ph. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Shakeys Pizza franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.